Have you seen those trendy reels on Instagram? Do you want to create similar reels too? Today, I'll tell you about an AI tool that makes creating such reels easy. With this AI tool, you can animate videos and convert images into animations. Not only can you create in just one style, but you can also explore and convert into different styles. In this video, we'll see how to use this AI tool step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. DomoAI is an amazing platform built for creators like you. It's super easy to use and packed with awesome features that let you bring your creative ideas to life. With DomoAI, you can turn your videos into different artistic styles, create cool AI-generated characters and animations, and even make your still images move. It's perfect for anyone looking to create unique and eye-catching content. Today, I'll show you two of my favorite tools. The video-to-video tool, which transforms your videos into something completely fresh, and the character animation tool, which brings static images to life. Let's dive in and check them out. First, open the website link provided in the description. Log in with your Google account. After opening the website, you'll see four options. The first option is video to video, where you can take a video and convert it into an animation. The next option is image, which allows you to convert an image into a video. The third option is Gen, a simple image generator. Lastly, there is the Move option, where you can make an image move according to the motion of the video using this AI tool. First, let's try using the video-to-video option. Click on it, and on the right side, you'll find the prompt box. Here, you can upload your video, either by dragging and dropping it or uploading it directly. After uploading the video, you can select your desired style, and under the duration option, you can choose the time length according to your preference. Below, you'll also have the option to adjust the aspect ratio based on your needs. If you want to remove the watermark, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. Once everything is set, just enter a prompt in the prompt box and click Generate. After waiting for a little while, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video is perfectly animated, just like we wanted. Next, we have the Animate option, which allows us to convert images into animations. Its interface is similar to the video generator. For this example, I have a picture that I will use here. You can write a prompt in the prompt box if needed, and then click on the Generate button. After waiting for a short time, your animated video will be ready. This way, you can easily animate your images. Lastly, we have the Move option, where you can make an image move, similar to what's shown in this video. Let's see how we can do this. First, on the right side, upload the video that demonstrates the type of movement you want for your image. For my example, I'm using a video of a person dancing. Next, on the left side, upload the image you want to animate. In my case, I have this AI-generated image that I will make move. After uploading both, adjust some settings according to your preference, then click on the Generate button and wait for a while. After some time, your animated video will be ready. This way, you can easily make your images move. So that's how you can use DomoAI to create stunning animations and breathe life into your content. From transforming videos into unique styles to animating images with ease, this tool is a game changer for creators. Don't forget, the first 10 people who subscribe through my link in the description will get a 50% discount, so grab the deal while it lasts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.